Have you ever wondered how Americans can finance property in Mexico? A dream vacation home in Cancun or a quaint hacienda in San Miguel de Allende may seem like an unreachable goal, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Today, we dive into the process of financing property in Mexico for Americans. While over 90% of residential property transactions in Mexico are cash-based, don't be discouraged. Financing options are increasingly becoming available. Mexican banks and specialized lenders are now offering mortgages, including those specifically designed for cross-border transactions in US dollars. It's important to note, however, that these options come with their own set of challenges. Mexican banks, for instance, typically require high interest rates and substantial deposits. In most cases, they lend only to foreign nationals with permanent residency status. Still, this doesn't close the door for Americans. Specialized financing options such as cross-border mortgages are available through select banks and independent mortgage companies. This type of mortgage allows Americans to borrow in US dollars, reducing the exchange rate risks associated with borrowing in pesos. Now let's talk about the process. Applying for a loan in Mexico involves various charges and paperwork requirements. Banks conduct extensive investigations requiring proof of income, credit history reports, and property-related documents. The approval time for loans can vary, and it's crucial not to commit to a non-negotiable contract before the funds are released. As with any financial decision, it's always best to proceed with caution and do your due diligence. And what about real estate developers? They may offer staged payments and financing options, but beware. Their interest rates may be higher than those offered by US banks. To sum it up, financing property in Mexico as an American is possible, but it requires careful planning and consideration. It's all about weighing the options: traditional Mexican bank mortgages, cross-border loans, or financing through real estate developers. Each has its pros and cons, but with the right approach, your dream of owning property in Mexico could become a reality. Remember, the key points are most transactions are cash-based, but financing options are available. Mexican banks offer mortgages but have high interest rates and require substantial deposits. Specialized financing options like cross-border mortgages are available. And finally, real estate developers may offer financing, but their interest rates can be higher. Navigating the real estate market in Mexico may seem daunting, but armed with the right information, you can make informed decisions. So, whether it's a beachfront villa or a colonial townhouse, your Mexican dream home could be just a few steps away.